Meaning of green belt.
Green belt.
Green belt.
Green belt.
Green belt. Green belt is a term used to describe an area of land that is largely undeveloped and set aside for conservation or recreation purposes. This type of designation is often used in urban areas to provide a buffer between developed areas and natural spaces, such as parks or nature reserves. Green belts can help preserve wildlife habitats, provide recreational opportunities for residents, and improve air and water quality within urban areas. Overall, green belts are an essential component of sustainable city planning and contribute to the health and well-being of both people and the environment.